Hi, today's lesson is lesson 103, reading and writing 6-digit numbers and multiplying by 100 and 1000. So let's start counting by 100, starting at 100. Okay? So we go until we get to 1000, okay? So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. How many hundreds did I need to get to 1000? So let's count them as we count. Let's count them as we go. So we have, and I'm going to make a tally. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So there are 10 numbers in between 100 and 1000. Let's see if I can keep counting by 100s. So I have 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, 2500, 2600, 2700, 2800, 2900, 3000, 3100, 3200. How many more numbers do you think it would take me to get to 9900? It would take me quite a bit. When we write numbers, we use a comma to separate the thousands place from the hundreds place. This is especially important when we get to bigger numbers because the commas really help us know what the number is. Okay, so here I have 5,280. And if I wrote it in words, I would write 5,000, 280. So you still put the comma in even when you're writing in words. Okay, so here I have 1,760. So I'd put 1,000, 760. Okay, so this next one we have 14,408. So my number is 14,000, 408. Now we keep going even when we get up to the 100,000s. So here I have 620,000 and 620,103. Ooh, that was hard to say. Again, we put a comma after the 1,000. 620,000, 103. Hey, so let's put commas in these numbers. So this first one is 2,651. So my comma goes after the 1,000. 2,000, 651. The next number is 15,920. So I would say 15,000, 920. Now an easy way to know where to put the comma is there's always 3 place values after the comma. It goes comma, hundreds, tens, ones. So you know the comma always has 3 numbers after it. That can help you a little bit. Okay, so here we have 11,073. So I would write this as 11,000, and 70, or not end, so 11,000, 73. Okay, no numbers in the hundreds place. Okay, the next one is 416,070. So I would write 416,070. Okay, all right, so that's how you would write with commas. Now let's practice multiplying by 100s and 1000s. So here I have 9 times 100. 9 times 100 equals 900. 16 times 100 equals 1,600. 58 times 100 equals 5,800. And 30 times 100 equals 3,000. Okay. Now if you notice, when we multiply a number by 100, my answer is always the first number with 2 zeros after it. So here we had 16, 16 with 2 zeros. 58 was 58 with 2 zeros. And 30 was 30 with 2 zeros. Okay. What about if I multiply by 1,000? So 3 times 1,000 equals 3,000. 18 times 1,000 equals 18,000. 34 times 1,000 equals 34,000. And 20 times 1,000 equals 20,000. If you notice on these ones, when I multiply by 1,000, my answer is the first number with 3 zeros at the end. So it's 3, and then there's 3 zeros. 18, so 18 with 3 zeros. 34, so it's 34 with 3 zeros. 20, and then it's 20 with 3 zeros after it. So that's a good way to remember how to multiply by 100s, is it's just the first number with 2 zeros added to it. And when you're multiplying by 1,000, it's the first number with 3 zeros after it. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.